Last lecture we have seen the definition of median and definition of median and finding the method of the median, that is computational of median for ungrouped data. In this lecture we have seen the computational of median for continuous frequency distribution. Suppose n is the total frequency since the variable under consideration in continuous that is where n is capital N, that is total frequency, and since the variable under consideration in continuous frequency, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like this, we can estimate the value of n by 2 observation. Hence, regards of n whether it is even or odd. In continuous frequency distribution, we take median to the value of n by 2 observation. In continuous frequency distribution, we find first cumulative frequency, that is capital N, and we take the median class, that is n by 2, the value of n by 2 observation, that is total frequency divide 2 and with corresponding to the median class. Next, we see the computational process of median, that is step first, obtain the class boundaries, that is first obtain the class boundaries, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like this. Step second, obtain the less than cumulative frequency, that is with the in continuous frequency distribution in class interval with their respective frequency, and then we give the less than cumulative frequency, that is CF, and CF is found, we give give the first frequency, add second frequency, add third frequency, like this, that is cumulative frequency. Step third, locate the median class. Median class is the class in which, that is n by 2 observation falls. It, in other words, it is in a class where less than cumulative frequency is equal or exists n by 2 for the first class. That is, we find the cumulative frequency and then we give the median class, that is total cumulative frequency n by, give the total frequency and we give the mean of the total frequency, that is n by 2, and we find the n by 2 observation with corresponding to the, that is median class. And apply for the, and step 4, apply the formula, find the median, that is median is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divide F into H. L is lower boundaries of with respect to class interval, and n is the total frequency, that is n by 2, and minus CF. CF is the less than cumulative frequency of the class interval, and F is the frequency of the median class, that is we give the first cumulative frequency and we find n by 2, and that is n by 2 consider n by 2 and we consider the median class and this corresponding median class frequency is denoted F and H is the class width, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and this difference between class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like this class interval difference is 10, and we give the, that is width of the class interval, that is 10. This is the computational procedure of finding the continuous frequency distribution for finding the median. And merits and demerits of the median. It is easy to understand and easy to calculate. That is, median is the easy to calculate and easy to understand. That is, median is the middlemost observation. That is, we just look and find the median. It is not affected due to extreme observation. It can be computed for distribution with open end class and it can be determined graphically. That is, median is determined and median is shown graphically. It is applicable to quantitative data also. It is case observation are arranged in ordering to the quantity and middlemost observation is obtained. The quality of this term is taken to be average quality or median quantity. This is the merits of median. Demerit, it is not based on all observation. It is not proper representative. That is, in this median we calculate the median most observation. That is, we not calculate in the all observation. That is, it is not based on all observation. It is, we have calculate only middle observation and it is not capable for further mathematical treatment. In this case, we calculate only middlemost observation. Therefore, we cannot capable for further mathematical computational. It is not as rigidly defined as the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is the rigidly defined and median is not rigidly defined. Today stop here.